Assalamu alaikum, Faisal bhai. There are some people who say that you cannot make friends with, as a Muslim, with Christians and Jews. So, what can you tell us something according to Quran about this?
So I think I'm already given to you answer in Urdu, not necessary.
Kar lein.
It's allowed in Islam, absolutely. You can friend anyone in Christian, in Jewish, not prohibited.
Can you give us a reference of Quran?
Yes, there is no reference in Quran to not to be a friend in any religions. Allow in Islam, and when you can marriage to any Christian and any Ali Kitab and Ali Jewish, so why you not to be a friend with him?
So, in Islam, you can get married to a Jew and a Christian.
Yeah, in Surah Al-An'am, verse number 4. اليوم أحل لكم الطيبات وطعام الذين أوتوا الكتاب حل لكم وطعامكم حل لهم والمحصنات من المؤمنات والمحصنات من الذين أوتوا الكتاب من قبلكم إذا آتيتموهن أجورهم. The food of Al Kitab and food of Jewish and food of Jewish allowed to you, and your food allowed to them. And Momina or Momina women's, Muslims women's, and Ahl Kitab women's, Jewish women's allowed to you
For marriage.
For marriage, yes, absolutely.
So, why do people. Okay, so thank you so much.